Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on optimization in FlexSim. In this session, we'll dive into the concept of simulation plus optimization and explore how it can significantly help the decision-making process for the stakeholders. When building simulation models, one of the key objectives is to determine the most efficient way to operate a system. This could mean maximizing production, minimizing costs, or achieving an optimal balance of resources. However, manually testing all possible combinations in a simulation model by conducting scenario analysis is not only time-consuming, but often impractical. This is where optimization comes into picture. In FlexSim, the optimization tool designed to help us achieve this is called OptQuest. What is OptQuest? OptQuest is a powerful optimization engine integrated into FlexSim. It automates the process of finding the best solutions based on your specific goals and constraints. Instead of relying on guesswork or running countless scenarios manually, OptQuest uses advanced optimization techniques to intelligently guide the search process. This allows it to identify the best solutions much faster and more efficiently. OptQuest is developed by OptQuest, a company specializing in cutting-edge optimization technologies. For more information about them, you can visit their official website. How does OptQuest work? OptQuest employs sophisticated search techniques, including taboo search, scatter search, evolutionary algorithms, response surface models. These methods enable OptQuest to explore a wide range of possibilities intelligently, retain information about successful solutions to refine its search, avoid wasting time on poor or suboptimal solutions. Additionally, OptQuest is designed to handle uncertainty and variability in your simulation data, ensuring that the solutions it provides are both reliable and robust. In summary, OptQuest transforms the process from exploring multiple options to finding the best option quickly and confidently. Let's move on and see how OptQuest works in FlexSim. For this demonstration, we'll use a pre-built model featuring 3 machines and 10 products. The processing time for each product on each machine is displayed in the processing time table, while the product sequence table shows the current sequence of products. At present, the total fabrication time is 182 minutes, about 6 hours. Our goal is to use OptQuest to find the optimal product sequence that minimizes fabrication time. Before running OptQuest, we need to add the parameters and performance measures. OptQuest will run multiple scenarios based on these settings. To do this, go to the toolbox, locate the model parameters, and add a new parameter. In the value section, input an array that represents the product sequences. For performance measures, add the fabrication time. Now, open the Statistics tab and go to Experimenter. In the Optimization section, you can specify how long the model should run. Select the parameter for OptQuest to optimize, and specify the maximum iterations. Add the performance measure, and choose the direction as minimize, since we want to reduce the fabrication time. Finally, go to the Run tab and execute the OptQuest optimization. Once OptQuest starts running, it will evaluate multiple scenarios. The results show that scenario 25 provides the optimal solution. Using this sequence, we are running the model. Now you can see that the time has reduced to 165 minutes and 11 seconds. By changing only the sequence, we've been able to reduce the fabrication time. The power of OptQuest extends beyond scheduling optimization. It can also be used to determine the optimal location of machines, find the optimum number of resources, solve other complex problems in simulation models. By automating the search for the best solutions, OptQuest saves time, eliminates guesswork, and helps you make data-driven decisions with confidence. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.